On the East Cape, privacy is the asset, and in 2025, that asset priced higher. The East Cape surpassed $50 million in sales in 2025, remaining one of the most limited markets in Baja Sur. Here, representation matters. Ronival holds about 24% of the active inventory and nearly 47% of the properties under contract. Out of the 58 closings, Ronival participated in 26 of them, roughly 45% of the market. The average price sits around $867,000, but the real premium in the East Cape is accuracy, knowing what's real, what's overpriced, and what will actually close. And if you're interested in the full market report for the East Cape 2025, click the link down below. And if you're interested in buying or selling this year, look us up. Local expertise truly does matter. And until the next market report, bye for now.